And of course, from a cultural point of view, in 1964 came the great leap forward with the arrival on the scene of BBC Wales, the national television service. And for those of us who weren't quite ready for this cultural revolution, it was just a matter of adjustment.
You know, in February, the BBC starts a new television service, BBC Wales. The new transmitters at Wenvo and Haverfordwest will link up with the transmitters already covering Mid Wales, the West and North Wales, an all-Wales network. Now, down in the south, some of you will be needing me, your local TV man. Your set will probably need a simple adjustment to receive the new program, or perhaps a new tuning coil, only cost a few shillings. You know, TV can be awkward. It's the mountain, see. But extra transmitters are coming along. All you have to do is send for me, your local TV man, and I'll make sure you are ready for BBC Wales.
And once you had a national television service, you didn't really need a national theatre or any of those other things, because instead of having to go out to see the stars of stage, screen and radio, the stars came into your home.